Hello guys, today in this video we will review Astound internet. Is this brand good? Is this brand's internet good for gaming or not? And which plan is best for you? So in this video we will discuss about lots of things, okay? So let's get started. So my dear friends, according to my experience, I'm sharing this information with you. The first thing about this brand, the brand is approx like 29 years from now, okay, and they are available on you guess like some areas only. So this is, we can say, like drawback. But if we talk about like the internet plans, so you can see over here they have provided three plans. The two plans is very, you can say, like gig plans, and the one is the starter plan, okay. So the pricing is genuine, there is no problem regarding the price. But if we talk about like which plan is best for you, so basically in the first plan of their first plan, in the price of $10 per month, you will get up to 50 Mbps speed, which is good for gaming, which is good for streaming, which is good for you can like daily you can like usage, okay. So if you go with this plan like 50 Mbps plan, the plan is really good, okay. And if you go with like these kind of plans like up to 1000 Mbps, this plan is best but little bit expensive, we can say, according to this plan, okay. But according to all the companies, after comparing all the companies, the price is reasonable. But the main question comes reviews. So basically when we checking their reviews on internet, we found that they have 110 reviews on Trustpilot, and their all the reviews is 1-star rated, okay. So you can see why they are getting 1-star rated reviews. So the answer is service and the promises they made, okay. So you can see over here, always a problem, it's a frizzy outside and no cable, always buffering, waste of time. So basically when we checking their reviews, most of the reviews is complaining like the internet speed is not too good and internet is keep going in and out, okay. So this is the first problem. And if we talk about the second problem, that is like some hidden charges, they also have some kind of hidden charges. So I would like to request brand, please solve all the customers problem. They are mentioning their problems on their you can like on your profile, so you are not able to reply the you can like even a single customer you are not replying. So this is not a good thing, okay. So this is also indicating like your support is not too good, okay. So rest all the brands provide customer support on Trustpilot also, on Trustpilot profile also, but you are not active on this profile also, okay. So that I would like to request, if you are going to use their service, please check the negative reviews, why they are getting negative reviews, and after you can like watching their, after reading their negative reviews, please make a proper and wise decision before placing any order of you can like internet service, okay. So this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.